Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix MSI Afterburner not working on CS2. So the first thing we need to do here is to completely close Steam, then right click on CS2, go to properties, and then on advanced users launch options you just need to write this line here, dash allow underscore third underscore party underscore software. Once you do that, then you need to launch MSI Afterburner here. Let's launch MSI Afterburner. Then what you need to do here, if you haven't already, you just need to tweak some settings here if you want to. But nevertheless, if you're satisfied with the looks, you just need to launch and run Afterburner, and then you just need to run CS2 here. And as you can see here, stats is showing. Of course, I need a little bit of tweaking, but the stats is showing. So yeah, that's basically it.